we are showing you something very interesting, that what the Indian army is doing on ground, how they engage terrorists, because right now the sequence has been created when you can see that there are two groups. The Indian army groups have been divided into two parts. One is the upper one and the another is the lower one, where the group, these troops are engaging the terrorists, the target. Usually this kind of drill is being carried by the Indian army during live encounters, because one group is firing to give cover to their other group and simultaneously engaging the terrorists, so that the terrorist does not target the lower group directly. You ask my VJ, for those who showing you the visuals, that how this kind of drill is being carried, because it's not only about firing upon the terrorists, but the kind of trust they repose, these boys repose, because you can see the boys, the another group that is crawling, because they have to reach near to the terrorists, they have to come near to the target house, but the upper group is providing cover to the lower group. How the security forces have called one Mohalla Maulvi, who is making an appeal, terrorists to come out, to surrender, to drop their weapon, and also making an appeal that the inmates of the house should be allowed to go, because right now they have kept them on hostage. And you see the visuals on ground, that how the inmates of the house are being asked to come out, so that they don't have to face any kind of damage, because the important drill is that they should be evacuated safely. And see the drill on ground, that yes, even these inmates have to follow some kind of drill. This is for their safety, and this is also for the safety of those Jawans who are involved in this anti-terror operations. This is how the drill is being carried by the security forces, because they are continuously making an appeal not only for the inmates to come out, but also asking the terrorists to surrender, because appeal is only for those terrorists who are local boys. Now that the terrorist is not to the security forces, in fact, there had been an appeal that had come from the parents as well as the Mohalla Maulvi, but despite that, he tried to fire upon the security forces. Yes, now there is an encounter, the one-to-one fight that is taking place between the security forces as well as the terrorists. Although the important for the security forces on ground is not to have any collateral damage, because they have been taught in their training course that militant can escape today, but tomorrow you can get him, and you can get him also killed. But yes, there shouldn't be any collateral damage, there shouldn't be any human life lost. So we have to take care of the people who have nothing to do with terrorists or with terrorism, save their lives. So you can see that how the encounter is going on, the moment, the drill that is being carried by the security forces. Because earlier also we made you to see the drills carried by the security forces, and those drills are implemented on ground in reality when such kind of encounters take place. You are watching the encounter spot, you are watching one of the encounter spot where the terrorists are inside. They are not being allowed to, they are not coming allowed, despite the permanent appeal coming from the Mohalla head or from their parents. And now you see that how they will get engaged with the security forces. And the important for the security forces is to finish the encounter as soon as possible without any collateral damage, and neutralize this terrorist as soon as possible, because he had not paid any heed to the call made by the security forces, because the family members have also asked him to surrender.
It is very pertinent to know that the dynamics of operating in 15 core zone are completely different. The rules of engagement and the powers which have been given to us through Armed Forces Special Power Act, one has to understand the nuances of operating in this area. So the endeavor of each one of us in 15 core battle school is to instill the discipline, and also he has to be geared up to operate in this area. And we do it in terms of giving him a lot of opportunities to train under the supervision of very competent instructors.
We are showing you one of the drills that are being carried by the security forces during encounters. Here my VJ Firdaus is showing you that how the evacuation process, the evacuation of civilian from the target house is being done. These soldiers risk their lives for the lives of the local population so that they are evacuated safely. As my VJ is showing that this is one of the ballistic shields somewhere of around 18 kg. This is a bulletproof shield so that no human life is lost, no collateral damage is there. These boys, the Indian Army, they risk their life because encounter is a spot where the bullets are usually flying. So to make sure that the civilians are evacuated, they risk their life, they use these ballistic sheets, and accordingly this kind of drill is carried during the encounters when the evacuation of civilians is done. These civilians were trapped in one of the target house where the terrorists were trapped, and you see that how the evacuation is done, and once they are out from this house they are taken into a Casper vehicle. When the soldiers get dropped near the encounter spot, the helicopter is used. When such drills are carried at certain places where you have the tough terrains, the encounter is in the forest area. That time the kind of helicopter is used and the troops on board, they get dropped like this. This also not only saves the time, the induction, but also the troops who don't require usually the helipads. This is again a drill carried by Indian Army when they have to go for anti-terror operations in tough terrains. In fact, my VJ Firdaus is showing the visuals that how the soldier actually carry these kind of drills because you have to get dropped in such a tough terrain. With VJ Firdaus Wani, this is Zeenat Zishan Fazil for Republic Media Network in Pulwama.